Income versus expenses, profit versus loss. Let's look at how money moves through your project. Income or revenue is what's coming in. Grants, ticket sales, merch, donations. Expenses are what's going out. Artist fees, rentals, printing, gear, marketing, insurance, everything you pay for along the way. When income is greater than expenses, that's a profit. When expenses are greater than income, that's a loss. For example, if you earn $5,000 and you spent $6,000, that's a $1,000 loss. It simply shows that more went out than came in. A profit means you've got surplus resources. A loss means you spent more than you earned, and you need to decide how to cover that gap, whether from savings, future income, or cutting costs. Income and expenses are the basic building blocks of your financial picture. They show in clear numbers what came in and what went out.